pause right there. Before you hit that checkout button, let's talk about something crucial. You might be spending your hard-earned cash on one of these right now. And trust me, you'll be kicking yourself by this time next year. Not because you're making silly decisions, but because society is pushing us towards it. Let's shatter the illusion together. Here are 4 things Americans will regret buying in 2025. Did you know that the average monthly car payment in America has skyrocketed to over $750? Crazy, right? But here's the kicker. The moment you drive that shiny new wheel off the lot, it loses 15% of its value. With interest rates still dancing in the stratosphere by 2025, your car alone will feel like a lead weight pulling you under. Unless your car is earning its keep, like a ride-sharing side hustle, you're just paying $100 for something that's losing value. Still craving that new SUV? Think again. Be honest. Your old phone still gets the job done, right? But hey, TikTok influencers are raving about the new camera. So you find yourself financing a device that won't even put a dime in your pocket. This isn't just tech, folks. This is a shiny distraction. If what you're buying isn't helping you earn or grow, it's just another overpriced dopamine fix. Let's get real. Do you really need that upgrade? Or are you just chasing a trend? Risk. You know the drill. Spotify Premium, Netflix, DoorDash Pass, Apple Arcade, $10 here, $15 there. You hardly notice it, but when it all adds up, the average user is dropping over $1.90 a month on auto-renewing services. And let's be honest, half the time we don't even use them. You're paying for what could be called FOMO convenience. That's not just a bad habit, that's mental taxation. You're scrolling through Instagram, and some guy in a $600 hoodie swears, "This changed my life." Next thing you know, you're clicking add to cart like a robot. Within 48 hours, you've blown $180 on a motivational desk lamp, some overpriced cold plunge materials, and an unsophisticated rich habits journal. But let's be real. Did any of that actually help your bank account grow? Nope. You're just putting on a performance of wealth instead of actually building it. So let's get real for a moment. Here's the truth. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because the world is designed to confuse you. School doesn't teach us this stuff. They give you a credit card, bombard you with ads, and tell you, buy now, think later. But the real flex is all about thinking first. Spend intentionally, or you'll just end up spending emotionally. If this video made you pause and rethink, even for just 5 seconds, smash that subscribe button. I want to hear from you. What's one purchase you regret? Drop it in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about making smarter choices together. Remember, it's not just about avoiding mistakes. It's about creating a financial future you can actually feel good about. Until next time, let's break free from the trap and start building real wealth. Your future self will definitely thank you.